Okay, Jalal, that's the test. I want you to pot this Chris Henry's ball with the white ball in this long pocket. Let's see if you are perfect enough. That was very close. We'll try one more shot. We'll try one more shot just to please Henry. We'll be very much happy to see that people are actually working with it. It's such a difficult practice, but it's good. Lovely yaar. So Chris, there are people who are actually loving your and actually they are doing it perfectly. Okay, this is Jalal. He's my very good friend and my student in Oman. This is my video during the Oman Open. He's just practicing with me. So I'm sure you will like this video. I will upload it on my YouTube as well and I'll send you the link. Cheers.